Hey guys, Marshall Coleman here. In this video, I decided to show you real quick of what can happen from just posting one YouTube video. Now I posted this video, it's been close to 30 days by now. I'm pretty sure of it. But I still keep getting commissions. Let me show you real quick. Campaign, well that's the campaign's reports, excuse me. Commissions. Let's see. Payouts to me. $300 in approved unpaid commissions just from one YouTube video. I mean, it don't get any simpler than that. And I mean, YouTube is free. It's a free way to do review videos. But I'm gonna show you where I learned this from. Let me go to my aversity course here, part of Gold Masterclass. I'm gonna tell you what I went through to learn how to do that. Scroll all the way down, which you can go to free traffic also. Real quick, let's go here because that's where I started. And it's basically a free method. Getting free traffic from YouTube. This right here. This is how I'm making my commissions. When going through the strategies in this is how I've done it. There's other things you can do too, but right here, the things I've learned in this video 4, and also let's go with, let me see, the elite. Elite's more like paid YouTube, which I haven't done yet. I will get in that eventually because he has a lot of good things that he shows you. This is it's just a lot of good information for you to learn, for you to be a really good marketer, where you can just basically, you can demand traffic or you can get traffic at will, because he shows you exactly different ways to bring traffic to your website, no matter what your offer is, and how to set it up. You know, so it'll pass Facebook or it'll pass YouTube if you do the paid version. So I'm here in elite training, which this is just more in depth. Shows you how to do a video, like pre-selling on a video. But I didn't even really pre-sell anything. I'm just more or less explaining what you get from a certain product. That's all you do. I mean, that's a big part of it. There's a little more to it than that. You got to set up the channel and all that, but you get all this information in the Aversity Gold Masterclass. If you click the link below, you can get some free video training on Gold. I can't even say the word good. You get some free training on Gold Masterclass, and I'll see you on the inside. Have a great day.